My name is Brent Weichel. I've been working for ABC for almost 16 years. Right now, I'm a department manager that runs several divisions within ABC. So as far as the pool technicians, number one is, they've got to sit there and make sure that the pools are, one, safe to swim in. Just because the pool is clear doesn't mean it's safe. So the biggest responsibility is for these technicians to make sure these pools are well balanced, make sure that we're putting the oxidizers and shock in the pools. We definitely don't want anybody to get sick by pool water, so it is so important for the chemistry to be right. It protects people from recreational water illnesses. The average pool would probably take most technicians 20 to 22 minutes or so. That's for a fairly easy pool. Some of the challenging pools, if they have a lot of leaves and stuff, could take 45 minutes, maybe up to an hour and a half. They do a lot of things. One of probably the nastiest jobs that the technicians do is actually when we take over a lot of pools, they're green, they look like the swamp. Some of these pools haven't been maybe running for 2, maybe plus years. So it's a real dirty job. The biggest thing is to make sure that they are treating the pool like it was their own pool, and make sure that the pool is clean, clear, free of algae, and ready for the customers to swim in. They usually start off the day with a few appointments where customers are, they'll call in and they'll ask for a diagnostic. For our exterior cleaning, the technicians, they'll start off with a day with, sometimes these guys can do as many as probably 4 jobs in one day, and sometimes they're actually at one house all day long. I would say to pick ABC as far as the exterior cleaning is just, our technicians will treat, everybody's property pretty much like their own home. And it is a job that these guys, it's tough. Sometimes it's pretty darn cold out there, and it's, temperatures are cold, and these guys are working with water. So, they're very dedicated to their jobs. The reason why I would recommend the ABC to actually do the exterior cleaning for one's house is, for one, if you have people that are going out there, just like what they say, the neighborhood boys doing pressure washing, for one, they're not going to be insured, and in the event that somebody gets hurt. We are talking about sometimes slippery surfaces and stuff like that, and our technicians are very well versed as far as working in a safe manner. And our approach to a lot of times when when we're doing these cleanings, for one is the equipment that we have. Our surface cleaners are by far the top of the line, and they do definitely clean a lot better. Even the pressure washers that we use certain pressure washers that we know that's proven to work. All of our units are going to be flowing pretty heavy water, 5 gallons a minute, to allow us to move more water and do more of a thorough job.